Well, nasa isip ko din is anong kukunin ko for the next 5 years. So, I'm just gonna plan what I'm gonna do in the next 5 years. So, the next 5 years I'd probably be 21. 21 na ako. Very good pagdating sa akin, I guess. Buhay pa ako. Pag 21, kung sakaling walang gera pa sa Pilipinas, alam ko nag-overthink na ako, tsaka ayos pa naman yung pakiramdam ko, is siguro I'll probably still be trying a lot of things. If 21 years old, ano kayang ginagawa ko? I'll probably still be in college, but I'm not gonna focus that much. Siguro may gagawin akong lots of extracurriculars. Like, siguro kukuha ko ng mediocre na degree. Like, hindi like computer science or engineering. Siguro like chill degree lang, sa business degree, ganun. Tapos nag-focus ako sa extracurriculars. And will it be good for me? I think, yeah. I mean, gusto ko din naman kasi yung mga extracurriculars. Pagdating din, naniniwala din kasi ako na kung ano yung kaya mong gawin out of school, yun yung mas importante kaysa ginagawa mo sa loob ng school pagdating sa business side of things. Kasi kahit ilang beses mo aralin yung business, if you don't go out and actually try, you're not gonna learn something. You're just gonna learn the basics. You're just gonna know how to create a business, but you don't know how to do it because you haven't done it ever. So I think the best advice is just go out there and experiment. And if you've got something that truly is your passion, or at least the best possible thing with analytical skills, analytical data, and generally, if you just love that, then go for it. Yeah.